Ever wonder why your swing feels perfect, but the results don't match? The secret might be hiding in your golf ball. Welcome to my channel. Today, we uncover the best golf balls that truly elevate your game. Check the links in the description and choose the ball that transforms every shot. The number 5 product on our list is clean green golf balls. Most golfers do not realize how much tension comes from watching pricey new golf balls vanish into the trees until they try a recycled mix they can swing without fear. And that is where this clean green bundle completely changes the mood of a round. Opening the reusable mesh bag, you see scuffs, logos, and discoloration, but on the tee they simply feel like solid distance golf balls ready to launch, not delicate collectibles you are scared to lose, and that mental freedom is huge. For weekend players and high handicaps who lose balls regularly, this mix delivers strong value and reliable performance, even if the cosmetics are far from tour ready, while brand new premium golf balls still make more sense for serious low handicaps. Every ball has already lived on real fairways, and the recycled story adds a quiet sense of doing something smart for both your wallet and the environment. It drops into any favorite golf bag and just gets out of the way so you can focus on tempo, not price tags. Yes, you give up some beauty and consistency from ball to ball, but in return you get volume, forgiveness, and the confidence to swing freely, grind through practice buckets, and enjoy each hole without flinching at every miss, which is exactly why I recommend this mix for casual golfers, beginners in training, and anyone who wants more swings and less stress for their money. At number 4 is Titleist golf balls. It's always surprising how one golf ball can completely shift the confidence you carry through an entire round, and this design delivers that feeling from the very first swing. The moment it leaves the club face, you sense a smooth, penetrating flight that feels purposeful and refined, giving players who crave distance and precision a calm sense of control they rarely find in budget options. The faster core adds a lively burst of speed on long shots while still keeping spin low enough to maintain stability, something golfers appreciate when they're fighting windy fairways or trying to shape shots with intention. Compared to softer recreational mixes I've reviewed, this option feels engineered for players who want premium feedback without losing forgiveness. Every iron approach comes off clean and confident, and the greenside touch is where the emotional payoff really hits, offering a soft, responsive feel that brings back trust in your short game. The dimple pattern keeps the flight consistent and predictable, which removes the quiet frustration many golfers face when balls balloon or fall out of the air too quickly. While beginners may find it more advanced than necessary, golfers who value performance, control, and a sense of reliability in their favorite golf ball will feel immediately at home. If you want a ball that elevates your game with precision, distance, and a confidence-boosting feel, this one brings a polished experience that rewards every well-struck shot and keeps your golf bag stocked with something truly dependable. The third one on our list is Srixon golf balls. It's amazing how one swing can change your entire outlook on a round, and this ball delivers that spark the moment it leaves the club face. The soft, responsive feel hits you first, an immediate sense of connection that makes every shot feel smoother, calmer, and more controlled. For golfers who slip a pack of their favorite balls into the side pocket of their golf bags, this one brings a confidence that pairs beautifully with any top-tier gear setup. The low compression core gives slower and moderate swing speeds a noticeable boost in launch and distance, offering relief to players who struggle to get height or carry with firmer models I've reviewed earlier. The 338 dimple pattern adds a surprising touch of stability, reducing drag and giving the ball a steady, predictable flight you can trust on long par 4s or windy fairways. What really elevates the experience is the greenside touch. The soft cover delivers enough spin for delicate chips and putts, offering that comforting sense of control many players crave when scoring pressure rises. Compared to distance-heavy balls, this one feels more refined, more purposeful, and far easier to shape and judge. Yes, purists seeking tour-level firmness may find it a bit too soft, but for everyday golfers seeking feel, forgiveness, and reliable distance, it's a smart, rewarding upgrade. If you want a ball that complements your favorite golf bag with performance that feels intuitive and confidence-driven, this option brings a satisfying blend of softness, lift, and all-around consistency. On number 2 is TaylorMade golf balls. There's something electrifying about playing a ball that doesn't just perform well, but actually feels alive in your hands. That's the emotion this vibrant paint-splattered design sparks the moment you pull it from your golf bag. It's bold, expressive, and instantly sets the tone that this round is going to be different. For golfers tired of plain white spheres blending into the rough, this colourful personality brings a refreshing sense of energy and visibility, making every shot feel more intentional and exciting. But the visual flair is only part of the story. The performance behind it adds real substance. Compared to the refined, soft-feel Srixon model I reviewed earlier, this option leans into fun, high-visibility confidence while still offering strong flight, dependable distance, and a lively response off the club face. Casual players and recreational golfers, especially those who pack these into the side pockets of their favorite golf bags, will love how easy they are to track mid-air and locate on the fairway, saving both time and frustration. The weight and build feel balanced and familiar, giving players the comfort of a dependable recreation ball while still offering a little extra aesthetic spark. Pros include standout visibility, personality, and solid all-round playability. The only drawback is that purists who prefer tour-level feel may find these more playful than precise, but for golfers who want to bring creativity, fun, and fresh motivation to every outing, this option delivers an uplifting, confidence-boosting experience that keeps the game feeling joyful, not just technical. Now, moving to the last one is Callaway golf balls. It's amazing how one small change in your gear can instantly spark new confidence on the course, and that's exactly the feeling these Callaway balls bring the moment you pull them from your golf bag. They don't rely on flashy gimmicks or over-the-top marketing. Instead, they deliver something far more valuable, a sense of balance, consistency, and control that makes every swing feel more intentional. For golfers who've struggled with unpredictable flight or inconsistent feel, this is the kind of upgrade that quietly solves problems you didn't realize were holding you back. Packed neatly in a compact, lightweight box, these recreation balls blend durability with a smooth, responsive sensation off the club face. Compared to the softer Srixon models I reviewed earlier, this option leans into stability, offering a clean, predictable launch that's especially comforting for players who want their shots to behave the same way round after round. They glide well, hold their line, and provide just enough stopping ability to make approach shots feel satisfying without overwhelming beginners with excessive spin. The real strength here is how seamlessly they fit into any golfer's routine. Whether tucked into the side pocket of your walking bag or carried in a premium cart bag, their reliable performance brings peace of mind. Pros include consistency, durability, and an easy-to-hit feel. The only drawback is that advanced players craving tour-level sensitivity might desire a softer cover. For casual to improving golfers looking to build trust in their swing and enjoy smart, confidence-lifting choice that feels right at home in any setup. So guys, this was the video about the best golf balls. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.